What do you think?
Come on.
Oh, good puppy. You're just waiting to see what she's going to think, huh?
Where Kelly went to?
Good baby boy. Look at you. Look at how cute you are. So you're not going to chase the kitty. You're going to wait for the kitty to come to you. Okay, that was little tail wag. Say, we could be friends. Aw, very sweet.
Oh, she was gonna let her lick her.
That's a good boy.
I think you're going to work out just fine with kitties. Good puppy. Boy, she's checking him out.
No, she's just wondering, is he gonna stay?
Please don't bring another dog here. It's okay. You're up fine.
What did you do?
Didn't even touch him.
Oh my God.
Did you get scared?
She's scared of the cat.
Did you get scared?